By and large, we don't see scientific reports or get training as divorce attorneys and divorce professionals around the nature of how traumatic this can be. Certainly, breakups can be traumatic, and divorce is a form of breakup. But by and large, divorce professionals would like to say that the institution of due process in the court allows for some buffering around the really traumatic parts of this, allows for some anticipation, not a lot of surprise, that there's always an opportunity to be heard, to have a fair trial. These are the concepts behind due process. But in general, when you take all of it together and you've internalized the sort of like wide variety of ideas that society has told you in regards to your role and what needs to happen. And there are sometimes certain circumstances around parents that believe that they need to care for the children and that society expects them to care for the children. And then later on, whether it's on a temporary basis or a permanent basis, the judge turns around and splits the children's overnights between both parents. And that could sometimes crack one's sense of identity and justice. These sort of things can be really problematic. This is because divorce is such an incredible period of change around expectations, norms, behaviors, and even the sort of things as to who am I and who is everybody else and who are my children and who we are to each other too. That really a lot of mindset management needs to go into it. And so that not only can you make sure that you're in the right mindset for such important things as mediation or a contested hearing or trial, so you're putting your best foot forward, but then also just so that when you transition out of divorce, you don't have actual PTSD or other maladies that turn around and have you still like unable to focus on making that a smart, savvy, satisfying transition to a better life. And instead still turning around and feeling like you're always looking in the rearview mirror over what happened back in 2023 or whenever your divorce was. My name is Matt. I've been a divorce attorney for nearly 20 years. If you like tips, tricks, and inspirations like this, please click follow, comment below. Thanks.